Ever wonder if you're actually getting the most out of your Acorns account, or if you're just letting your spare change sit in a safe lane while the rest of the market passes you by? When I first started using Acorns, I let the app pick my settings based on its standard questionnaire. It put me in a moderate portfolio because I said I didn't like losing money. But after a year of watching the market rip while my gains stayed flat, I realized that for someone with a long time horizon, safe is actually a risk. I wanted maximum growth, and I had to go in and manually change my strategy to get it. The absolute best setting for aggressive growth is the aggressive portfolio. This isn't just a label, it's a specific asset allocation that moves you to 100% stocks. You're cutting out the bonds, which essentially act as a brake on your portfolio, and putting your money into a mix of large company, small company, and international stocks. Specifically, you're looking at about 40% large cap, 20% small cap, and 40% split between international and emerging markets. But the setting alone isn't enough. To make that aggressive profile actually work, you need to trigger the roundups multiplier. I personally set mine to 3x or 10x. If you just do standard roundups, you are investing pennies. With a 10x multiplier, a 50-cent roundup becomes $5. That's how you actually build a stack rather than just a piggy bank. Finally, you need to enable recurring investments. I found that setting a daily $5 or $10 deposit, even if it feels small, outperforms a monthly $150 deposit because of dollar cost averaging. You're buying the aggressive dips every single day rather than hoping the market is down on the first of the month. If you're young or have at least 5 to 10 years before you need this money, don't let the aggressive label scare you. It's the only setting designed to actually capture the full compounding power of the stock market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.